The Yuva Yodhas where they did not go out there and win that match.
जानकारी, लेकिन उसमें सबसे बड़ी जानकारी तो यही है कि को मिले कमाल लाजवाब प्रदर्शन, लेकिन एक एनर्जी से भरे कमेंटेटर हमारे साथ
Will give the go ahead for the first trade that'll happen in from the Kurukshetra Warriors. Yeah, we were talking about the first strong duo in the corners. It is Lokesh Gosali and Chetan Chaudhary, and Ankit Daya cannot even see what Sonu Rati was up to. He was completely blinded. He went in so deep, and Sonu Rati.
युवा योद्धास, अगर युवा युद्ध लड़ेंगे तो यकीन मानिए अच्छा ही लड़ेंगे। पिछली रेड पर बोनस ट्राई किया, युवा योद्धास को मिला है बोनस पॉइंट, लेकिन यहाँ पर एंकल होल्ड किया है, लेकिन वो काम नहीं आएगा इस बार। तो बोनस +2, सुपर डुपर रेड।
Yeah, fabulous raid here from Rahul Jaglan. He revives Ankit Daya back, but the error came in, of course, from the corners. That has to be going in for the ankle hold, but Keshav went in for the ankle hold. India one-star moment for sure for the Kurukshetra Warriors. Keshav, your job was only to raid. Why go for the ankle hold when Sonu Rati is there? Falling hand touch attempted. Shivam Singh gets Rohit Nandal. That's his 47th raid point in the Yuva All-Stars Championship. He was on 45 before this, and one bonus, and now one falling hand touch. Monu, that's a very good skill that we saw first up from the women players of.
ले लिया और उसके बाद एक और प्रयास किया था रेडर ने कि डिफेंडर जब तक संभल रहे हैं मुझे पकड़ने के लिए आएंगे, तब तक क्यों ना एक और बार प्रयास कर लिया जाए, एक और डिफेंडर को अपना शिकार बना लिया जाए, लेकिन सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट के साथ फिर वो वापस आए। युवा योद्धास का जो पहले 10 मिनट है वहां पर टैकल सक्सेस रेट कम जरूर नजर आया, लेकिन आप नजर डालेंगे 21 से 30 पर तो वहां बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन है उनका।
Correct. And look at this for a back kick. So the first duo, of course, they have been named LOC by Mohit Chilla, Lokesh Gosali and Chetan Chaudhary. But I would say LOCC, because LO for Lokesh Gosali, double C for Chetan Chaudhary, CC. So ankle hold. That's a nice one. Shivam Singh has been tackled for the very first time.
1 point.
And that substitute who just came in from the bench. That's the match to move. So yeah, Monu, bench strength working.
बिल्कुल, और आपको ना सिर्फ एक मौके की तलाश होती है, वो मौका मिला और उन्होंने आते ही वो कार्य कर दिया, लेकिन यहाँ पर भी कार्य किया, इस बार तो सिंगल एंकल होल्ड किया है।
1 point.
और अभी तक तो गेम में सिमिलरिटी नजर आई है, जैसा कुरुक्षेत्र वॉरियर्स कर रही है ऐसे ही योद्धास कर रहे हैं, जैसा योद्धास करते हैं ऐसे ही वॉरियर्स करके दिखा देती है। कई बार हमने देखा है ऐसा, पिछले बार भी हमने देखा, वहां पर डबल एंकल होल्ड किया, यहाँ पर सिंगल एंकल होल्ड किया और वो टच पॉइंट खाकर बाहर नहीं था, इंजरी के कारण बाहर था, और इंजरी के कारण कोई भी प्लेयर बाहर जाता है तो वो अलाइव है, वो मैच पर आपको नजर नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन वो काउंट जरूर किया जाता है। ऐसी कंडीशन में वहां पर 4 प्लेयर थे, दिखाई आपको 3 दे।
I understand that the Yuva Yodhas have lost the only match that's against the Kurukshetra Warriors in this championship. And Mahesh says, don't try in every raid. It's okay. If you don't get a point, come back. Every raid there is a tackle, so don't try too much. Good thought from the coach, Shivam Singh. He does not want to go towards Rohit Nandal. He bounces on towards Praveen Narwal. Nice running hand touch. That is Shivam Singh. 49th raid point for him in the Yuva All-Stars Championship.
ये कमाल का पॉइंट था, पहले राइट कॉर्नर के ऊपर ट्राई किया, फिर उसके बाद लेफ्ट कॉर्नर के ऊपर ट्राई किया, लॉबी का इस्तेमाल करते हुए शिवम अपने घर की तरफ वापस आए और 7 मिनट
Do or die.
My God, really? Mono, I don't know that. Nice. Okay. Right, do or die. I think Satvik was trying to come in. That's why that late entry against Ravi Bhati. First point for Ravi Bhati. Because this is the first left raider from Kurukshetra Warriors. And the right corner, Ravi Bhati.
दो राय है नहीं।
Bilkul. And I think that's a bonus point. That should be the 50th tackle point. In fact, 50th raid point for Shivam Singh. Yes, he's got it. Bonus +2, super raid. What a way to celebrate his 50th raid point. And Shivam Singh, he was on 45 raid points before this. And before that raid, he was on 49 and now 3 points. Fabulous. First the bonus attempt, the running and turning bonus, and then the ankle hold from that right corner. Rohit Narwal misses out. And what was it? An issue after first 10 minutes. But then, what is also wrong with them is Mono, the raiders also go down. Now look at this. Look at this. Sonu Rati.
Oh.
He saw that Rahul Puria was completely blinded, showing his back to the midline. Look at this. This is Sonu special. Second time he's doing this.
राहुल को समझ में नहीं आया कि हो क्या रहा है, लेकिन सोनू ने कमाल का फॉलो किया था.
Have not allowed the Kurukshetra Warriors to score after 11 points. I clearly remember it was 11 all. And after that, their train has been entertainer. It's really nice.
दूसरी हार देना चाहती है योद्धास को, तो फिर ये 20 मिनट को पूरी तरह से यूटिलाइज करना पड़ेगा. खास करके जो डिफेंडर्स हैं, रेडर्स हैं, डिफेंडर्स का भी कार्य बढ़ जाएगा. लेकिन फिलहाल तो यहाँ पर सुपर टैकल ऑन तो जरूर है, लेकिन रोक नहीं पाएंगे. रेडर सेफ 1 पॉइंट. एक और पॉइंट आ गया युवा योद्धास के लिए, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं
Necessary at all. Should have just gone back. And look at this. The Warriors in the phase-wise in this match. 1 to 10 minutes they scored 10 points, and the 11 to 20th minute they haven't scored at all. Just that 1 point. That's it. And another all out. That's the problem. And Monu, he's got 50 raid points, and he's done really well today as well. I will say stop attacking him and play the end line defense. Give him the bonus, send him off. That's okay. You cannot stop him. There is no other go. Just give him the bonus and let him go. Come on. You don't have to do this. Once again, Krishnan Suresh from the left cover.
पॉइंट मिला है. फ्रंट से ब्लॉक करने का प्रयास तो
is necessary. Now see, the bonus has been taken in and Keshav has come in. He just wants to disturb the defense. That's all. He will not do anything. See, he will not do anything. Look at him. He's been called current and he falls off. That's it. Why? Because the defense stood still. That's it. Keshav will come and try and attack the Raiders, especially Shivam Singh. They have not done it right. And their defense has always been weak. You know, it's always been weak.
कुरुक्षेत्र वॉरियर्स पहले मुकाबले में क्लोज एनकाउंटर मुकाबला खेल के गई थी युवा योद्धास के विरुद्ध, और वहां पर युवा योद्धास को हार का सामना करना पड़ा था. लेकिन इस मुकाबले में युवा योद्धास एक बड़ी जीत के लिए तैयार हो रही है.
No doubt. Brains he's got. So yesterday when I was talking to him, he said, "That's a nice tackle. Oh, that's a brilliant tackle." He said, "Yuva stage is something that is even challenging than the professional league, you know, because there are so many players comparatively. There are so many new challenges that the players will get, that he's angry. I know he's unhappy. But I think, as you rightly mentioned, Mohit, not on the mat. Yeah, you go out to the hotel room. आप तप्पड़ मार भी दो, किसे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? क्योंकि प्लेयर तो तप्पड़ थोड़े से खा भी लेगा, क्योंकि आप गुरु हो, लेकिन सबके सामने मत करो. 2 points. That's a brilliant raid from Satvik Narwal. Nicely done. First, Ravi Bhati attempted the ankle hold, and then he wanted that support from Naman coming in. But Naman, of course, was little late. Naman Singh, he went in very late. And look at that for an escape. First, he escapes the ankles, and then the dash. He also escapes his using.
पकड़ से जाने की. पैर छूने आराम से छूइए, आशीर्वाद मिल जाएगा आपको. फिलहाल आपको ऑल आउट का बदला ऑल आउट से देना था. बहुत बड़ी गलती हुई है इस समय, और गुस्से में नजर आ रहे हैं उनके जो टीम मेंबर्स है. लेकिन यहाँ पर सुपर टैकल ऑन है. ईस्ट बाई ट्रिप सुपर टैकल की अपॉर्चुनिटी. युवा योद्धास के दोनों ही डिफेंडर लड़ खड़ा गए थे एक समय के लिए, लेकिन सात्विक को अंततः आते आते अपना शिकार बना लिया है. ईस्ट बाई
He was giving everything that he had. Now first, was there a jersey pull? Yes, there was. Yes, there was a jersey pull. Come on. Ajay Ganesh was pulling the jersey. He just pushed Aditya Gulab Singh away, Satvik. But then after that, the turn and the tumble. What a way to put more than 100% on the kabaddi mat. And I think he's just limping away. He's also putting his hand up and saying, if Sonu Rati is injured or something not right with him, I will stand up. It's another super tackle that's going in. Situation. This time it's an all out. That's it. Weak attempt.
4
from
points,
Himanshu.
Yuva Yodhas.
And
Along Kurukshetra Warriors.
Krishnan Suresh is once again not contributed anything. He's got a mic in his hand, and he's also got a earphones attached with the mic, and another tackle goes in. Ankit Daya.
1 point, Yuva Yodhas.
50. They reach 50 here. Yuva Yodhas 51.
ये कमाल का टैकल है, पूरी तरह से पाव
2 points he got in, and then when that last man came in, he went in for the ankle hold
2
attempted.
points.
And now the
Kurukshetra
Dubki
Warriors.
comes in.
It's
2 more
number
points.
40 and 14
Ankit Daya
out.
was the hero and was the villain. So probably call him Viro. Hero and villain put together. He became the Viro of the match. That's a problem.
Red.
Shivam Singh goes in. I think you know what, Vikas.
किया था। अंतिम कुछ मिनट्स में पॉइंट कमाना चाह रही है कुरुक्षेत्र
ओह।
वॉरियर्स, लेकिन यहाँ से नहीं कमा पाएगी। ये क्लोज चले गए थे राहुल इस बार तो,
1 point, Yuva Yodhas.
लेकिन डिफेंडर्स के जज्बे को वॉरियर्स के लिए, और बदला यहाँ पर पूरा हो चुका है। 2 मुकाबले खेले गए 2 टीम्स के बीच में। आने वाले सीजन्स में कभी भी इनकी भिड़ंत होती है तो